I wasn't gonna film, but these fall colors are just taking over. Like, it is so beautiful. Like, I'm sad it's fall, but man, I forgot how beautiful the fall colors are. Look at it, so amazing. Up again for a late afternoon ride. Doing some of the trails that have missed this summer. Doing a whole bunch of other ones. Smells so good up here. Man, so thankful for this riding season. Seems like it took forever for the snow to melt because we had so much of it this winter. But man, it's been amazing. Haven't done as much as I wanted. I got hurt that 1 month and I missed my Idaho trip that I wanted to go on, but that'll be for next year. Oh, it's so good up here right now. Stop for a second. I haven't stopped since I started. I like to get up here since it's, you know, late afternoon, cover some ground. Look at these colors. This is so amazing. That was not the line to take on that. Yeah, I'm just chilling today. Having some fun. Here comes some epic colors up here. Nobody's been up here. There's no tracks. Well, from the weekend anyways. This way today. Oh man, look at this. Oh, so awesome. Wow. Heck yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Missing this? What in the world? I guess it just kind of looked out. keep going, but haven't been up here in a while. Look at those colors. Actually, you know what? There. That's better. I'm gonna have to get my camera out. Usually, you know, summertime, this is just all green. It does not look like this. Unbelievable. I'm so happy I came up. Wow. Picture time.